teacher vlogger, Ma'am Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Hilly Rindon. My Mabuhay YouTube channel, Erlinda Rindon. It's my first time to ride this Matrans, and we'll just disturb later the driver. We'll just have there the picture on the mirror, and that's the pilot, okay, of the Matrans. Who is the co-pilot, sir? Sir, ano yan, sir? Ang pangalan?
Boyax.
Sir Boyax. Okay, picture na lang natin. And another, ang tawag dito, Inspector?
Inspector.
Sir Inspector, you're wait to the camera. Hindi ka naman wanted siguro? So, ano ng pangalan? I am, shout out to your
YouTube. Yulax naman si Yulax.
Nats, ano?
Yulax.
Yulax, okay. Nice meeting, Sir Yulax. I am your vlogger, Teacher B, Erlinda Bing Rindon. Please subscribe. Mamayang gabihin ko na i-post. YouTube of my channel. Okay, Erlinda Rindon. Retiring on May 31. And Ma'am Guapa, and your kid, why you have decided to ride on this? Bakit dito pinili mo? Yeah, no? Aircon din. And there are only few passengers.
Yes.
You're going to Kidapawan? So, same with me. Going to GSIS Kidapawan to follow up my application. Okay, ma'am. So,
Congratulations on your retirement.
thank you. Name, ma'am? Name?
Debbie.
Bibi? Debbie Binamin. Middle name? Binamin?
Aguinaldo.
Alma?
Aguinaldo.
Aguinaldo. Wow. Hero. And you kid, what's your name?
Marco.
Marco Aguinaldo. Yeah, nice meeting. I am your vlogger, Teacher B, Erlinda Bing Rindon. So, we are transversing now. I started my ride there in DepEd Division Office because I would like to follow up my retirement application. Actually, it was approved March 25, but I just learned right now. It was already approved, so we need to get absent while leave so that we can cancel. Okay, are we allowed to stop also? Pwede mag-stop. Okay, so that's the pilot of the Matrans. Okay, name, sir? Parts. Orlando ata. Hindi ko nakuha.
Orlando.
Sige. Orlando. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, Sir Paps Orlando, to YouTube Mabuhay channel, Erlinda Bing Rindon. So this is it. My co-passengers. Ay, ma'am, why have you decided to ride? Bakit ito pinili mo? Ba't di ka nag-jeep? Convenient, aircon, few passengers, very humot, no? Okay, and the driver is very friendly, the assistant pilot, the manager, inspector, everyone, your co-passenger, very friendly. Okay, so my co-passenger is there. Oh, wave naman kayo sa camera. Yeah, that's me. I will be posting mamayang gabi pa, ma'am. Follow up na lang ko. Mabuhay channel, hanapin mo na, Sir Marco, sa YouTube Mabuhay channel, Erlinda Rindon. May YouTube, Facebook na yan. I will post in a while. Okay, this is it. Oh, with kayo dyan, may co-passenger, Matrans. So, hanggang Kidapawan lang tayo. Then, up to from Kidapawan, you'll be going back where, sir? Kabakan. Kabakan ito ang starting point. You're not dropping anymore, Matalam. Dropping. Okay, so your travel, ano tawag doon? Ruta? Their travel route, Kidapawan to Kabakan, vice versa. How many? Yeah, Bigyan Matalam. How many trips in one day?
Hindi ko na kay
2 trips, 3 round trips. So, what are you waiting for? You experience also this ride? Yeah. Thank you, Inspector, sir. Thank you for my nice picture. Sige, sir. Salamat. And approximately how many passengers it will be filled up? 25. That is not overload. This is it. And how many
Seating capacity.
we are not allowed to have standing capacity. Allowed how many?
Hindi.
According to law, bilang pwede mag-stand dito? 10. Standard pa yan. 10 lahat.
Alam na
10 or 15? 10 lang. Okay, so
Car.
nagda-drop din kayo, halimbawa ngayon, no?
Car.
From point to point, pwedeng bumaba, pwede rin sumakay. Okay. So, this is it. So, nakastop kami, hindi po violation. Nakastop kami ngayon. Balindog na. Okay, so inviting you to ride. There is also Matrans. How do you call this? Bus pa rin? Bus?
Modern jeepney.
Bus or van?
Modern jeepney.
Modern jeepney. Wow! It's my first time. I have seen this on Facebook, YouTube. Modern jeepney. So this is pala, the modern jeepney. Wow, modern jeepney.
Yun yung palit sa mga traditional.
Ay, so it's
required na government.
ito na talaga. Dapat base out na to yung that. So this is the modern jeepney. Oh, so experience it also. I was thinking I will experience it in Davao pa, in Manila, but just here in Kinabawan, Amas, we have the modern jeepney. So this is privately owned. Cooperative of Transco. So it is owned by a cooperative Transco daw. Makilala pala yun.
Makilala Transport Cooperative. Yan po ang acronym na Transco.
Can I be a member? I will retire now.
Yes, pwede po ma'am.
Wow. How much kaya the investment?
Mura lang, 500.
Ha? 300?
500.
500,000.
Membership.
500 pesos? Ay, kaya ko, sir. How much will be my gain?
Ano ka ng capital siya mo ma'am?
How much?
Isa yata 3,500.
3,500? Ay, kaya ko.
Ano di max?
Oh, sino yung kontak ko? Oh, please.
Sa office ma'am.
Saan yung office?
Sa Makilala.
Makilala, saan banda yan?
Yung harap ng panadero na mayroong Makilala.
Hanapin ko lang.
Matransco gasoline station.
Anong station?
Matransco dito.
Oh, Matransco gasoline station. Hanapin ko kayo, sir, ha?
Sa kabila ng video Makilala.
Basta kabila ng video. Hanapin ko lang. Yay! I have one investment already. Kaya 3,500. 3,500. Wow. And how much will be my in return? One
Hindi
day.
sa income ng ano.
Ay, sige. Excited. Very affordable. Okay. Sige, sir, ha? I will be a member later. As soon as I have my resources.
Maganda ko dun sa opisina.
I will go there, sir. Makilala. Wow. Feeling
Anong YouTube channel naman?
Erlinda Rindon. Mabuhay.
Erlinda Rindon?
Erlinda Rindon. Mabuhay. Maraming mabuhay yun. Huwag mong mabuhay ka. Hindi yun. Ako lang. Mabuhay.
Sa ano?
Uy, guys, ano na. So, wow. Experiencing now
Sa ano bar?
the modern jeepney ride. And excited of my retirement life later on. In few days, I will travel more and more and invest. Like this investment, 3,500. That's affordable investment. Okay, hanapin ko kayo, ha. Be looking for you in 3 months. I'll go to Makilala. So we are now here in Gaisano Grand Mall, Kinabawan. Later on, I will be there when I have money. But for now, my money is only for Transco fare. Okay, so this is it. I am your vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, and we pause for a moment here in Gaisano. So I cannot disturb also the driver, kaya I might violate. So this is muna. Next time ko na yan siya interview personal. So thank you for viewing my channel. Don't forget subscribe, share my YouTube, my channel, Erlinda Rindon. That one with a red gown. Red gown, sir, not my profile. Napin mo. And the cover profile is also red gown for my retirement program. Red gown. Pulang-pulang gown. Elegant. Mabuhay. Magandang buhay. Magandang tao. Mabuhay. Good person, good life, good person, and good morning. Yes, good morning, the afternoon, the evening. Means new hope, new life, new beginning. Buhay. Mabuhay, color red. Until my next vlog, Teacher Ting, Erlinda Ting, Castillo, signing off.
Okay lang ako.